tide is coming in. There wasn't really many shells that washed up last night, so I am just going to look through the previous day wreck lines, see if I see anything. I don't know if the sun's still coming up, so it might be too dark to see. Big weight on his thing. There's a lot of weight. Not gonna work out for him. Just not really that impressive. Did you just get a bite? Did you get a bite? Oh my god, you had a bite. This is the story. I always miss it when he gets a good bite. Oh. Alright. There's the shell pile over here. Did he take your weight too, or just your lure? Did you see what kind of fish it was? He got a bite. I bought him a whole bunch of lures for his anniversary, so oh, that water's a little cold. So we can afford to lose a couple. I'm gonna hang around here just in case. No. I absolutely did not hear you whatsoever. That's terrible. Oh, there's another one of those limpets. That's cool. I cannot hear you over the wind. I'll pay more attention. I'll have to replay the video to see if I can hear you in the background, and I'm just obvious. I don't know. I was in the shell zone. Ooh. What does the M stand for? Is that something? garbage. I'll put that in my thing. Someone's garbage. Throw that away. Oh, there's another one of those flat ones I found the other day that I thought was awesome. I love a whole bunch of these.